Today I'm going to be sharing with you my reaction to the day traders Forex lifestyle marketing trading tips that are posted on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, all the social media. I absolutely hate the social media game in the trading industry. It's a lot of lies, a lot of deception. I never look at it. I don't like spending my time on this. So the fact that I have to Google this, I am cringing already because I don't watch these videos. But hey, I would like to share with you a day trader's reaction to these posting on social media. Now, I understand they're all trying to sell something, so I respect that. I will not hate on that. So let's try to find one.
Went long. Bang, stops at break even.
This trade changes his life.
Got 150, 5 TPs at a 1 to 10 risk reward, guys.
If you want to trade with him, comment W or leave me a
Post this
message.
just like that annoying.
Bang, 260. Final TPs at $400. Let's go. On the opening minute. Oh shit. Do move, stop. Let's go. $400 in like 40 seconds.
Big red flag is anybody is reacting like that in your trading, where you're like, oh my god, it's up, we won the trade. Okay, you're going to have thousands and thousands of trades in your trading career, and if you're going to act like that every single time you take a trade, your emotions are way too high. You're going to be a very emotional trader. Hey, I'm not trying to hate on the guy. I'm just trying to say I don't know any professional trader that actually acts like that. You'll never see me going like this. You know? Anyways, cool. Good for him. But try to leave your emotions at the door. That's my opinion on that.
That some traders make is actually taking out a large loan and trading with it. Instead, that is get funded with a prop firm. So with the prop firm, all you have to do is pay the challenge fee, get funded if you pass the challenges, and once that's done, you have the funding, and if shit goes...
Yeah, I mean, I would agree with that. I would never recommend people taking out a $50,000 loan from your bank to go opening up your trading account. But I would definitely say stay away from the trading prop firms until you are already a profitable trader. Those prop firms, 90% of their money that they're making is from people that are already losing money, and it's people that think that they want to become a prop firm trader, but they're not already consistently profitable. But you can't hate on them. They're offering a service for that trader to become profitable, and it's the trader's fault for not becoming already profitable before they take the funded challenge. But yeah, I would agree. I think it is a good thing for people that don't necessarily have a lot of money that want to trade with other people's money. Okay, this should be an interesting. Anytime I see a post on Instagram or social media where it's like what you see literally right here, 10, 20 different of the exact same trading pair with the exact same entry, target, stop loss with the exact same position size, it's massive red flag. It's a complete scam. I don't know any trader that does this. Okay. And they flashed a live account. Actually, that's funny. There's a trader called Trader Nick. I'm sure a lot of you guys have heard of him. I think I did a duet with him once on a video that I posted, but he exposed about how brokers are reaching out to other social media traders, and one of them reached out to him saying that they will give him a live account that says live, but it's really a demo account so he can share the postings to his clients, and so that those clients will then sign up with that broker, and then he will then in return make $100 per sign up as long as they put in $250, something like that. And it's a lot of these guys will be doing this on social media where it says live and it's not a live account, or it's red flags like this where they have 50 different orders like I mentioned, or it's not even in USD, it's in some random currency and they're playing it off like it is. But they can always change the currency as well. So be very careful with these trading games.
For all you Forex day traders out there, if your account is looking like this instead of this, there's probably a big reason for that. And before we get the hate comments, none of those accounts are mine, they're just screenshots off the internet. You're not looking at different types of analysis. You have technical analysis, fundamental analysis, and sentiment analysis. Technical analysis is everything to do with the chart, so your price action, market structure, your SMC, whatever you trade, your indicators, strategies, all that stuff. Fundamental analysis is basically everything to do with the news and like economics and world events, stuff like that. So you can see this is what I use for.
I agree. This guy is whatever he's saying right here. He's got his technical analysis, his fundamental analysis, and his sentiment analysis, and he's probably trying to line up all three to say why it's a good trade. And why I agree with that is anytime that you take a trade, you should be building a case of why the trade is a good trade. It's a good trade because, I don't know, you have this technical analysis, this, and this, as well as fundamental news is really bullish, as well as the sentiment is very bullish as well. And you have like 6, 7 things that are really strong in your favor. That makes a good trade, right? And then obviously having proper risk, but making sure that you have a proper top-down trading analysis, trading plan for each trade setup, and you're not just getting in there randomly. So I would agree with this. I would agree. Here, trade structure.
One of the
I didn't learn anything about how smart money concept works. Okay, I didn't learn anything. Not very helpful.
This crazy indicator.
First, you click on Indicators. If you have the access, you see the Invite-Only Scripts tab, and inside, here is the Millimoose algo. Change the signal mode of the algo to Smart Plus Signals. Then I just create an alert with the option 7
really
or 8 for a Smart Plus buy or a Smart Plus
putting
sell.
on an indicator on
Then when a
charts,
new Smart Plus
and it
signal
just
appears, you get a notification. Then you can
if it
enter
was
your
that
trade
easy,
and look what
you think
happens.
everybody would be making money.
Wow,
Everybody
crazy.
would.
This
be.
is
It's not.
risk-reward ratio.
People are so delusional at this game that there's just, by the time that person quits, there's a new person coming into the system to fill their spot and to fill the next delusional mind spot, right? And these people feed on this type of stuff. Let's continue on. Let's try to get some good tips. I'm trying to find some like good value videos, but the thing is, it's social media. People don't really want to see that. They just want to see like random BS. You go to YouTube and you type in Forex lifestyle, you just get like the dirtiest of the dirtiest. Guys leaning up against his little Mercedes on his Bentley. 0 to 100K. Guy smoking a cigar in front of his private jet. You gotta love it. You gotta love it.
If you're learning Forex, here are the 5 best tips.
Okay.
Number 1, always start off on this website called babypips.com.
Okay.
This gives you all the basics that you need to know.
I would agree.
Don't buy any course that teaches the basics like this. Number 2 is have goals written down. When you come into trading, you're coming into it for a reason. It's important you never forget that reason. Number 3, I'd highly recommend you get a laptop or computer. It's very hard to do thorough analysis on a phone. Number 4, stay far the fuck away from signals. Especially free ones, then
You know, I have to agree with this guy so far. Stay away from signals 100%. Learn yourself. Baby Pips is a good one. I always tell people that are brand new into it, I say, hey, before I start recommending you stuff on what you need to do, if you are brand new, check out the babypips.com. Their free like training that they recommend and they give to new people to understand the markets. Don't trade signals. Obviously, trade on a laptop or a computer. Don't ever trade on your phone. It's the biggest mistake, especially for new traders. You'll 100% lose money. Don't ever do it. Right? Always have a laptop or a computer.
The worst. Number 5, after you've mastered the demo account, choose a good broker. For example, INFX is a good one.
Yeah, I would agree. Choosing a good broker is important. Okay. I hate these videos. They literally just sell you a book or whatever on these chart patterns and what they look like, and then always win. Right? And then there's they'll sell you on that, and they'll show you like 50 different ones. I have it here on my TikTok. I did a video on it, and it's where you see like 50 different trading pairs on the left, or 50 different chart patterns and candlestick pattern sticks, and they go like this. Right? And so you see this, you win. If it was that easy just to trade a single candlestick pattern or chart pattern, everybody would be making money because all these things are already automated to trade with head and shoulder patterns, breakout, flag patterns. There's already things out there that will alert you and do the trading for you. But nobody makes money completely strictly off that. Why? It's because it's not profitable. You have to have at least 4, 5, 6 things in a case of why prices will do one thing over another, right? You're trying to build a case as a trader of why it is a good trade to get into. So going off of one thing is not a good idea, and making sure that you take and making sure that you have proper risk is always important. Since we're here,
this is day in the life of a traveling day
let's
trader
watch a
in
day
Lima,
in the
Peru.
life of a
Ended
traveling
up
day trader.
starting the
This
day
is me, by
taking
the
two
way.
trades, one on silver. Ended up being a losing trade, which is all good in the hood. Next trade, Euro CAD, ended up being a break even. So you know what? Had to get some steam, get away from the chart, so went on for a very nice workout here in Lima, Peru.
Oh, yeah.
Going for a nice
run.
Thought I would chill out by the beach, enjoy the rocky beach. It's absolutely beautiful. Happened to run into a sea lion out there. I think it was dead, to be honest. Yikes. Go crush the gym, the weights, and then afterwards have a team
These are my
meeting with the
traveling and
group
trading
going over
vlog videos that I like to post on social media. Nothing cars or anything like that. Providing really good tips on why 95% of the traders are losing money, 2022 returns, what you should be doing over the holidays, and all that good stuff. Like, if you guys ever want to reach out to me on social media at Moneyball Austin, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, as well as here on TikTok, some really good videos talking about trading education videos and lifestyle of as I'm traveling and trading around the world, and what your trading plan should look like. And if you guys have any questions, you guys can always reach out to me. Like I said, social media, it's a greasy business. Be careful out there watching, as people are always going to put their best foot forward in trying to sell you something. Just understand that is the nature of the game. And yeah, that's what I have to say about that. Really appreciate if you guys enjoy this video to like it. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below, and subscribe to the channel. See you guys later. Bye-bye.